All right, so I'm gonna make this quick as I can. I discovered an issue with my FX30. Don't need this on anymore. So when I'm using the FX30 to record 24p in Cine EI Flexible or what's the other one? Cine EI Quick at 24p, I get a very annoying audio buzzing noise when I'm recording through the Ninja. Now normally I record with the Nikon here. I'm setting up to do with the FX3 because I wanted to see how that work. I wanted to test it with like a nighttime thing. I had me a external LED, so bouncing out in the ceiling. Want to set up like a little mini studio here, and I got a noise, and I couldn't figure out where the heck this noise is coming from. So for the life of me, I thought maybe there's something wrong with the camera. Well, the handle specifically, because I was using the shotgun microphone. I know there's an echo. I was, planning to compensate for that, but I took it out, still heard the noise. I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. So I basically started tracing everything from the camera, plug the headphone into the camera, no noise. Plug the headphone into the Ninja, noise. Plug it out into the Shinobi, noise. Okay, change the cables around, same issue. Now we're recording in HDR mode. Camera setting is still the same, f2.8, 25 ISO, about a +0.7 to +1 overexposed. Light still in the same position. Probably like the upper half of me, so we'll see how that works. So I decided to try it on a Nikon 24p, no noise. Like, that's odd. So before I figured out it was Cine EI, I basically went to 30p, no noise. So then I started going down the level from, XAVC, HS, SI, the entire thing, even HD. And in the camera, no noise. Plugged in through the Ninja, noise. So yeah, that's strange. I don't know what's going on. Yes, something weird seemed to be happening with the HDMI port and the Cine EI at 24p. I tested some 24p just walking around outside. Straight out of the camera, with audio being put into the camera, there is nothing, there's no noise there. But as soon as you put that to the Ninja, there's a noise. If any of you have experienced this issue, let me know. I have the Ninja V, not the Ninja V Plus. I've never had this before, but then again, and I've been recording with the Nikon all this time, and I don't usually use 24p, but I wanted to give it a shot to see how I can make this mini cinema camera work and trying to get into that 24p frame. So yeah, that's my dilemma right now. I wanted to put it out there to all you guys on YouTube who are using the FX30 to see if you had the same issue. If you have, please let me know. Put some information in the comments if you experienced it or not experienced it. I don't know where to go from here. I think I have to reach out to Sony. I mean, I am in Thailand, so maybe if I can get to the headquarters, give it to them, they can figure it out, get it back to me before I head out of here. Issues. Maybe that A7R5 is calling my name. Ooh, I love that camera. It's a really good hybrid camera. I was enjoying this thing here. The Acetone did some night shots. If you watch some of my past videos, you probably have seen those. If you haven't, check out the ones in Chiang Mai at night in the Cine EI. That was one to test it out with the nighttime and the low light setting. All right, I'm wrapping. Again, if you like the videos I'm putting out, please remember to give them a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.